Question number 1.
He usually dashed to school by bus. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Gone.
Question number 2.
Synonym of big. A. Tiny. B. Large. C. Small.
Question number 3.
We dash not understand the question. A. Does. B. Do. C. Did.
Question number 4.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't has a car. B. She doesn't have a car. C. She doesn't has a car.
Question number 5.
The sun dash in the west. A. Rise. B. Rising. C. Sets.
Question number 6.
Antonym of hard-working. A. Lazy. B. Clever. C. Smart.
Question number 7.
I have been learning English 2 years. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 8.
What is the plural of tooth? A. Teeth. B. Tooths. C. Toothies.
Question number 9.
Choose the correct article. He is dash university student. A. And B. A. C. The.
Question number 10.
She dash TV right now. A. Watch. B. Watching. C. Is watching.
Question number 11.
Antonym of friend. A. Foe. B. Brother. C. Sister.
Question number 12.
I dash to the gym every day. A. Going. B. Go. C. Went.
Question number 13.
Choose the correct sentence. A. I can plays the guitar. B. I can play the guitar. C. I can playing the guitar.
Question number 14.
Synonym of quiet. A. Silent. B. Loud. C. Noisy.
Question number 15.
A blessing in disguise means A. A good thing that seemed bad. B. A prayer. C. A gift.
Question number 16.
We arrived dash time. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 17.
He dash a book every week. A. Reads. B. Reads. C. Reading.
Question number 18.
She dash already eaten. A, have. B, has. C, had.
Question number 19.
Antonym of bright. A, light. B, shiny. C, dark.
Question number 20.
Choose the correct form. I am looking forward dash your reply. A, for. B, to. C, at.
Question number 21.
Let the cat out of the bag means, A, let a pet run. B, reveal a secret. C, free an animal.
Question number 22.
The student's dash writing now. A, is. B, are. C, am.
Question number 23.
She is afraid dash spiders. A, of. B, from. C, for.
Question number 24.
Synonym of funny. A, sad. B, humorous. C, boring.
Question number 25.
I dashed to Paris last summer. A, gone. B, go. C, went.
Question number 26.
Choose the correct sentence. A, he speak English fluently. B, he speaks English fluently. C, he speaking English fluently.
Question number 27.
Under the weather means, A, sick. B, cold. C, happy.
Question number 28.
The boy is dash than his brother. A, tall. B, taller. C, tallest.
Question number 29.
Synonym of kind. A, cruel. B, rude. C, gentle.
Question number 30.
I will call you dash I reach. A, until. B, when. C, since.
Question number 31.
The opposite of deep is, A, long. B, shallow. C, wide.
Question number 32.
Which sentence is correct? A, we was late. B, we were late. C, we be late.
Question number 33.
He dash swimming every weekend. A, go. B, goes. C, going.
Question number 34.
Antonym of polite. A, nice. B, rude. C, soft.
Question number 35.
She sings dash than her sister. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best.
Question number 36.
To be on cloud nine means A. Dreaming. B. Extremely happy. C. Flying.
Question number 37.
Choose the correct question. A. Where you are going. B. Where are you going? C. Where going you are.
Question number 38.
Dash you ever been to London? A. Have. B. Has. C. Had.
Question number 39.
I dash tea every morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking.
Question number 40.
Synonym of beautiful. A. Ugly. B. Pretty. C. Old.
Question number 41.
The dash are flying in the sky. A. Bird. B. Birds. C. Birds.
Question number 42.
She dash studying all night. A. Has been. B. Have been. C. Is being.
Question number 43.
Which is correct? A. He does his homework daily. B. He do his homework daily. C. He dids his homework daily.
Question number 44.
The dash is barking loudly. A. Dog. B. Dogs. C. Dogs.
Question number 45.
They dash already left. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had.
Question number 46.
Antonym of easy. A. Simple. B. Difficult. C. Quick.
Question number 47.
Synonym of angry. A. Mad. B. Glad. C. Happy.
Question number 48.
I was born 2005. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 49.
I'm interested learning English. A. To be, in. C. With.
Question number 50.
I dash my wallet at home. A. Forgot. B. Forget. C. Have. Forget.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.